After spending more than 10 years working as a professional chef, I made one of the biggest decisions of my life to retire from employment and follow my dream. That dream became SFC, Saulo Fresh Crave, a food brand built from passion for creating fresh, highly quality food and unforgettable dining experience. From everyday meals to professional outside catering, our mission is to create memorable food experience with every dish we serve. This was our very first outside catering event, and I want to take you behind the scenes to show you how it all came together. It all started in our kitchen, where every ingredient was carefully selected, every meal was freshly prepared, and every package was checked to ensure the highest quality. Once everything was ready, we carefully transported the food to the venue, ensuring every dish arrived fresh, hot, and beautifully presented. From preparation to delivery, every detail mattered, because excellence is what we stand for. Seeing our clients enjoy the food and appreciate our services reminded me why I took the leap of faith. Moments like this make every sacrifice worthwhile. At SFC, we believe every event deserves great food and unforgettable memories. Our team bringing professional passion and attention to detail to every occasion, making your celebration truly special. Planning a birthday, wedding, corporate event, family gathering, or private party, book SFC, Saulo's Fresh Crave, today on the number on the screen, and let us create good memories with professional services and passion for making your event memorable. This is only the beginning of SFC. Thank you to everyone who believe in our vision and continue to support us. We look forward to serve you at your next event. SFC, for good food, good mood.